Good morning, my dear student. Today is the second class, means second day. The name of the chapter is Units and Dimension. The number is second. The topic is dimension of physical quantities. Because continue from your previous class, dimension. You know from your previous class the fundamental units. Fundamental units, you know how many fundamental units? 7 are fundamental units, 2 are subsidiary fundamental units. First is the mass, means kilogram. Second is the distance, meter. Third is the time, second. Fourth is the temperature, Kelvin. Fifth is the current. The fundamental unit is ampere. Sixth is the intensity of light, that is the candela, you know it. And last is the amount of gas, that means the mole. Two subsidiary units, you know it. One is the radian and next one is the steradian. So 7 are the fundamental units and 2 are the subsidiary fundamental units. So what is radian? You know it. Radian equal to arc by radius. From your previous class you know is radian equal to arc by radius. What is the unit of arc? Unit of arc is centimeter or meter. Unit of radius is centimeter or meter. So it is the unitless physical quantities. But one question is here. What is its dimension? Unit of a dimension of arc means length, dimension L, and radius also the L. That also the dimensionless fundamental units. One question from that fundamental units. Give an example of a fundamental unit which has no dimension. That is the radian or the steradian. Give an example of a physical quantity which has no dimension, no unit. From your next chapter, you know it, one is the strain, that is change in length by its initial length. This is the physical quantities. The unit is meter, that unit also meter. So the unit less physical quantity and the dimension also L and dimension also L, dimension less. So you must be sincere about it. Name and give an example of a fundamental unit which has no dimension. Which has no dimension. Given physical quantities which has no units and no dimension. Given physical quantities which has only units but no dimension. Which has only units but no dimension. You know it. Angle. Angle is a physical quantities. It has unit. You know it. Degree. You know it. Radian. You know it. Steradian. So you know it. Grade. So many units are there. But it is the dimensionless. So only 3 questions from here, 1 marks question. Given fundamental example of a fundamental unit which has no units, no dimension. Given example of physical quantities which has no units, no dimension. Given physical quantities which has units but no dimension. So from this part, 3 questions are there. You must be sincere about it. Next part is the dimension. So dimension we can express only with the help of the mass, length and time and fundamental units also. Mass, length, time, fundamental units also. So those physical quantities you know it up to your syllabus. Only you try to find out the dimension. Those are not in your syllabus. You cannot try to remember it. It cannot be possible by the remembering method because so many physical quantities are there. So you cannot try to remember it. Suppose from your previous class you know it. Speed. What is the dimension of speed? You know it. Speed means distance by time. Distance means length. Time means second. So it must be used with the help of the fundamental L by T. We can always write it with the numerator form. L T to the power minus 1. Okay. Suppose velocity. In terms of distance, you write it the displacement also the length, and time t, so that also it. Suppose you consider acceleration. You know it from your previous class, that is v by t. V means change in velocity. V minus u by t, that means also the v. V by t, v means velocity. So you know it. What is the dimension of v? This. What is the dimension of t? That is equal to. So suppose you consider force. What is the dimension of force? You know it. Force equal to mass into acceleration. What is the dimension of mass? M. What is the dimension of acceleration? L T to the power minus 2. So we can write here M L T to the power minus 2. You know it. Momentum. Momentum means you know it. It is the product of mass and velocity. What is the dimension of mass? What is the dimension of velocity? So you know it. But one question is here, what is the dimension of resistance? How can I find out it? How can I find out it? So it will be complicated because this type of dimension you cannot find out it. Resistance from your Ohm's formula, you know it, V equal to I equal into R. V equal to I into R. R equal to V by I. So how can I find out the value of V resistance, dimension of V and dimension of current? How can I find out the dimension of V and dimension of current? You know it. Another relation, W equal to Q into V. Charge into change in potential. So V equal to W by Q. So you can find out it. W by I into Q. W equal to what then? Force into displacement. ml t to the power minus 2 into L by I equal to Q by T. Q by T I equal to ampere. I equal to Q by T, Q equal to I into T. So you can write here I equal to Q into T into Q. So that means m L square T to the power minus 2 by Q equal to I into T. Sorry. Q. I equal to ampere, we know it. Q equal to I into T. Ampere into time. So we can write here m L square T to the power minus 3 A to the power minus 2. So it cannot be possible to remember it this to that. So when you know it everything, that time you can only derive it. Otherwise it cannot be possible. So you just try to your previous class, those physical quantities you know it, you can only solve it. Otherwise you cannot try to remember it. Next day you can discuss it, any problem. So thank you my dear student.